What's up, everybody?
Wayne!
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Wayne, the second port 2 times here with another YouTube video for today. Today, we are doing Monkey, the app. Isn't that right? Don't
Yes,
forget
sir.
we got Noelia. Okay, so I'm just kidding. Let's get it started. Oh, don't forget, check out that drip though. Sonic. If y'all haven't watched it, watch the new Sonic movie. Came out February 14th. On Valentine's Day. I forgot. I was supposed to make a YouTube video yesterday, but I forgot. But I want to say Happy Valentine's Day to y'all. Don't forget to watch that movie, Sonic. And what did you want to say?
What drip? You love me. Okay.
Anyways, let's get it started. Even though they deleted it off the app store, I don't know why. But we want to get it started with a monkey. We already got my YouTube picture on there. We got my name. We got 82 bananas. That's alright. That's good.
And we're doing both, guys.
Both what?
Because there's a girl and a boy here, so I get the boys, he gets the girls.
I'm finna get the girls. You don't even know.
They better grill the fuck out of you.
I'll grill them back, okay? I don't care what they say. Let's get it started. Let's do this.
And then I can like say what's up to my YouTube.
No, fuck them. What is that, a boy or a girl? Oh, it's a girl. Yo! What's good?
What's up, white girls?
Damn.
White girl, look like a clout.
Alright, we got a boy coming up.
Don't do it like that.
How do you want to do it then?
Hey!
They can't see you, Noel.
I don't give a fuck.
Bitch.
Bitch, don't fuck up with me because
Yo!
I fucked your mom last night.
Whoa! Okay. That's something wild. Show the camera, Noel.
So we have to show them that, and then we have to talk to them, too. It's a girl
Fine.
for you.
You got that? Whoever. She's skipping it. Yo, what's up? What's good? What's poppin'? Hello? Hello? What's good? I hate the darkness.
Stop touching my.
I hate monkey. God, I'm gonna show him.
Alright, we got the door right there.
No, that's not the, that's the box.
That's the box.
Why is the box there?
Hey, girl. Hi.
How old do you think I am?
21.
Thank you. I think you're like
21.
18.
21.
I'm 21.
I got it right!
What? Nanny, what are you making?
I'm on my.
Hey.
Show the camera.
You want to say hi to our YouTube channel?
My YouTube channel, so fuck off. What's good?
Look at his Sonic trip.
Shut up. Get on my phone. I'm done with you. We got a girl from North, whatever. Yo, what's good?
Say hi. Wait, you have to show them
What's
your
good?
face.
They can't see my face.
But they're
Hello?
going to be confused. Turn it to your face.
You happy? You happy? Are you happy?
No. No. No.
I'm gonna push you. We got another boy from Hearthstone. God, don't show the camera. The YouTube wants to see the person. Ooh, 2 girls. Give me that. Oh, watch them skip. If they skip, I swear to God. 13, 15, my age, what? I don't like my... Damn! Show them.
Hi.
Hey.
Okay, stop.
Well, you can see them. Oh my God. You ugly as shit. Show your Android computer, Noel. Show them.
Okay.
Stop hogging the phone. Get your own. Go on your blade. Go on your blade.
Wait, it's another boy.
And go on monkey. Chill out. I'm doing the next boy.
No, you're not.
Yes, I
You
am.
do girls and I do boys.
We'll do both. Girl from Chicago. Yo!
Hi.
What's good?
Doesn't he have a big nose?
Good.
This boy right here.
You know what? You're not. Get out my YouTube. Yo, what's good?
Let me see. Here. Hi.
Take that to AirPods. God, you gotta show them. You gotta show them.
Okay, but then you have to talk to them.
Can we? Hold up! Don't you got a stool where we put this? Oh wait, what? Who's gonna? No, like this. Oh,
No, Wayne.
Yes, Noel.
Cause they can't see us.
Yes, they.
Boy. Calm down, meow meow.
Meow. Oh, God. You.
You enjoying that shit?
Huh?
You enjoying that lollipop? What's the flavor?
Suck my dick.
Cherry.
Bitch.
You bitch.
God, wow. Show them. Wait, Forky can hold it. Calm down, like you haven't seen a boy in your life. Oh my God, you're a hogger. Hogger. Hogger.
Schmink! Schmink! Schmink!
Fish. Fish.
Bro, your cat like instantly gives you so much nicotine.
They talking about
Hey, we got some
nicotine. They
crackheads.
talking about nicotine.
For yours, you could do that, but for mine, I'm not doing it.
Dude, look at that. Oh my God. Give me that. My God. They can see
No,
us.
do it
Noel.
the other way.
They can see
Do
us.
it.
They
Do
can
it.
see
Do
us.
it. Do
Noel-
it. Do it.
Noelia, they can
Do
see
it.
us.
Do it.
Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. They can
No,
see
I
us.
want you to do the no thing.
They can see us. Noel.
Do it.
They can see
Do
us.
it.
They can see us, Noelia, okay? Just oh wait,
Do
I'm
it.
supposed to be pressing the button. It's a girl. Hold on, let me ask you. Yo, can you see us? Noelia.
Can you guys see us?
Can you see us?
Yes.
Told you!
Schmink.
Damn.
Doesn't he have a fat
So,
nose?
don't you got a fat upper lip? My God. They can see us perfectly well. And don't take it down, Noel, please.
Do it.
Noel,
Do it.
do what? Gooby
no.
Goober what?
Yeah, gooby goober.
No.
Please.
No.
Do the no thing.
Noel,
Please.
can we just do this?
Do
please?
it.
Do
Do
what? Do what?
Do
Do
it.
what? Do what?
The no.
The what?
No.
No, that's a-
no. Do it. Do
If
it.
you keep saying
Do
the
it.
same
Do
jokes
it.
over
Do it.
again,
Do it.
people
Do
are
it.
gonna-
Do it.
people
Do it.
are gonna
Do
get
it.
annoyed of
Do
it.
it. Do it.
Calm down. Damn, my phone on low battery. Stop. Answer. Pick up. Oh God. We got a girl. Yo, what's good? What's poppin'? What is that? A dub smash? Hey.
Hey.
Hey. Hey. Hey. Hey. Hey. Hey. That was stupid. We got this. We got this. We got this. What is that girl? Yo, what's up? What's poppin'? What is that?
Were you guys making that one thing?
Is that a funnel cake? What is it?
No, that what's it called?
That look clap. That look
I
clap.
knew it. That shit is good as well.
That look clap.
Oh my God! Look, puppy chow. Oh my God.
Oh, what'd she say?
Puppy chow.
Puppy what?
It's Chex with like peanut butter and chocolate.
That's the stupidest comment. Whoa, what's up? What's poppin'? What's good? Is that a girl or a boy? That's a boy. What's good? Well, you look
You
like
care
you're.
about calling
Stop.
my baby.
You look like
Hey,
you're a
don't put your
YouTuber.
Sky a lot of
You look like you're a
Let me
YouTuber.
tell you I
Go
like you a
away.
lot,
You
babe.
look like you're a
I'm just
YouTuber
here
with
to
that
talk
chick.
about 'em, babe.
God, I can't say shit out my mouth, can I?
No, because you have a big mouth.
You got a big. What was that? Is that a sucker? Bad.
You're
Go-
pretty.
Thank you.
God.
I don't get no compliment.
Yo, what's good? What's poppin'?
Shut up.
Are y'all making
say, are you making a YouTube? Damn it! That could have been another subscriber. I can't open this sucker. Is my phone on low battery again? What is that? What was that?
Oh no.
Oh my god. Phone 9%.
Green apple.
Let me try. Yo, what's good? What's poppin'?
Don't he got a big nose?
Okay. Yo, what's good? Ooh, that's fine.
Are you guys Latina?
Yes.
Same girl, same.
You are not no Latina, no.
Yes, I
You're
African.
You're Italian, and no, I'm
You're
not. I'm
African.
native.
African booty scratcher.
Oh my god, I can't pull no girls if we're around me. Is that a boy? Yo, what's good with popping?
Hey, yo, you got a PlayStation, bro?
No, I got Xbox. She don't got nothing.
He sucks. Doesn't even have Wi-Fi for the Xbox.
I already have one. You're stupid. Gay station.
What the fuck are you?
See, you're ruining my dome, bro. Let me talk. You talk, I talk, okay? Yo, what's good with popping? What's up?
Do you see his nose?
Do you see your gap? Do you
see your schmeek?
Do you see your chin? Chin. No, I won't talk. You talk.
Hello?
I've been broke so many times.
Don't know what to believe.
And look at your brother.
Look at your brother.
What?
He said, look at your brother.
Look at your dick. Oh, wait, never mind. There's nothing there because it's small. Yo, what's up?
What's up?
We're making a YouTube video. You want to say hi?
Hi. Hey. Y'all put me in that camera now.
Girl, shut the fuck.
Making people hate us. Oh my god. How's it feel holding the iPhone?
How's it feel having a schmink?
Yo, what's up?
Hi.
What's good?
I like that ass. Just kidding. Okay. Dash schmink! Period.
That's not even the word, Nawalia. So stop bringing it up. Oh my god.
Yeah,
People are going to get tired of hearing
it's something
schmink every
in your-
24/7 on my
There's
YouTube.
something in your little pee-pee created.
You're stupid. I don't like you. Nawalia, go give me a water.
No, fatty. Go get it yourself. I'll be back.
Go. Go.
Ow! That was your
Oh! Back stinger! Oh! God! Why? Oh! 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 Oh, she's heavy handed. Oh, I can't feel my back. Oh. Oh, God. Oh. God.
Hey, honey. Cut my hair tonight.
Stay hydrated. Oh my God. Alright. God, I wasn't even expecting this. Yo, what's up?
What up? What it is?
What's good?
What up? What you doing?
Doing a YouTube video.
For real? What's
Yeah.
your YouTube?
Wayne the second port 2 times.
Alright, I'm gonna subscribe.
Alright. Yes, sir. You heard that new subscriber. What are you doing here? I'm about to get a new subscriber. She said, alright.
Go, Jania. Move!
He said I'm a subscriber.
Get out! Papa's trying to get out of my room.
What?
was that?
Go.
I just got a new subscriber in a while. Yeah.
Okay, how's your back feel?
Yo, what's up? Okay, I see you. Thicky thick. What's good? Bye.
Go! I'm not in your room. How's your back feel?
Still hurts. What was that?
I'm gonna tell Papa.
I got a new.
Go!
Alright, let's do this. Yo, what's up?
Oh, the girl's kind of pretty.
Thank you.
Kinda.
You got a big nose.
You got a big gap in the chin. Oh my god. You're heavy-handed.
I know.
What are you doing? That hurt my back. Yo. What's good?
They're on the bus.
No, yeah. They're in a volcano.
Shut up, fat nose.
Shut up, fat gap.
Shut up, fat chin.
I got the fat chin.
Get out!
Oop.
Yeah, you caught. She keeps trying coming in here. I'm trying to make a YouTube video.
You mean I'm trying to make a YouTube video? But we saw girls in the background.
She wants some crackhead energy.
Dude, chill out. Chill out.
I had to do a neck.
Chill out.
See what you did?
What I did. Oh my god. Phone pause one more time. I'm done with this YouTube video. You.
What?
What's good?
Hi.
That was embarrassing. Her mom.
Me too.
So you gotta make funny jokes like that, Noelia, like that. But no, all you say is schmink every day.
You said what?
Smink.
What the fuck?
You got a little pee-pee.
You said I got a little pee-pee?
Maybe, I don't know.
You wanna see?
No, I'm good.
Then don't make fun of my pee-pee.
Period. Don't make fun of his thing. No, what if my... Alright, I'm gonna do 3 more. Alright. Yo, what's up? What's good? What's poppin'? You playing Fortnite, aren't you?
No.
GTA?
Playing CSGO.
Oh. Oh my god. He's a game head. 2 more to go. Please be a girl. Please be a girl. Please be a girl. Yo, what's up? What's poppin'? What's good? Okay. Do you speak English? Cause I speak Blackanese. Alright, you wanna hear Blackanese? Nigga, nigga, nigga. Alright, last one, guys. Last one. Yo, what's good? What's poppin'? Okay, I see with the fit, the champion jacket. Your little friend over there. Android. No, this is gonna be the last one. Alright? Boy or girl? Can you read the tree? Yo, what's up? What's good? What's poppin'?
What's good, Chris?
What you doing? What was that? Oh, Snapchat notification.
Look at that fake Jordan.
Fake or fade?
Fake.
You hating? The only Jordan thing you got is a book bag. Come on now.
And you're wearing
Come on
Sonic.
now.
You cannot talk.
I'm shouting out the movie Sonic. Oops. Fuck you, come on. My phone. Yo, what's up? What's good? They ain't bad. No! I get to follow them. No! No! No, man. No! No!
Yeah, but not to show the camera.
Where's Forky? Where's Booney? Where's he at?
I don't know. We dive like into an ocean.
Where's Forky?
Get up more.
Where the freak is Fork? Where's the fork at?
Hi.
Yo, what's good? What's poppin'? They just laugh at you. That means they hate you.
Whoa.
Bro, where's the Joan at? Bro, you don't know how to talk to no girls. What's good? What's poppin'? What's
They
up?
don't want to see your fat nose.
They don't want to see your fat chin.
They're doing that.
The time ran out, stupid. Where's the fork at?
I don't know. You told me.
Oh, I found it. Hashtag. Hashtag Toy Story 4. At least I didn't say Toys R Us. Alright guys, this is gonna be the last one because I'm irritated of this girl. So at the end of this video, when I'm done,
Where's
she's
Six
gonna get her
at?
ass beat. I don't want the boy, okay? The last one's gonna be a girl.
Nanny!
Come on.
We're going?
Well, I don't know if you're going. I don't know.
Yo, what's up? What's good? What's
Are we
poppin'?
allowed to?
What's good? What's poppin'?
Was you guys doing a YouTube video?
Yo.
Wait.
Don't fuck Unit TV.
Fuck you too. The fuck? Who the fuck she fucking? Alright guys, before Noali comes back, thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe. Comment down below. And thanks for watching.